And this is something that we use to connect with other people. Like I can talk with everyone about my culture, and this person can talk about their culture with me, and it's a way to connect people.
I cannot change the word Relazionésimo in English or in Spanish or in French and so on.
People tend to forget the power we have because we know as human beings we have a great power inside of us, and sometimes we just need a great opportunity to push it off.
The connection of youth and youth empowerment in general. Like youth have to be heard, but have to have the chance as well to speak up and to be listened fully by adults on the same level, on the same round table.